Now that I've got the functionality for locations, I want to do a bit of tidy up, because skills is basically the same thing. So I want to create a utility function. I'll call it makeRandomArray, where I'll pass in the max length and the items to put inside. And then we'll take the functionality from locations and then make it more dynamic. So we'll pass in max length instead of the 3, and we'll pass in items instead of the locations specifically. And now we can go back to locations and use the makeRandomArray. Sorry, we'll pass in 3 and we'll pass in locations for that. So let's just save that, make sure that that is still working. Okay, so we're still getting locations coming through. And let's use the same one now for our skills, and we'll say max length of 5. We'll pass in some skills. Great, so we've got skills coming through, saxophone, skills for this 1, 2, 3, 4 skills here, and they are unique. Brilliant.